What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You're watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to talk all about the OnePlus 5T limited edition Lava Red. So let's start it. The OnePlus 5T Lava Red is another fetching variant we can't buy. OnePlus has outdated another color variant of its flagship OnePlus 5T smartphones, but it only available in India right now. The limited edition Lava Red OnePlus 5T, which has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, can be purchased from Amazon India. The brightly colored device has maroon antenna lines, a black faceplate, and comes with a pair of Bullet V2 earphones. Unfortunately, it seems unlikely the variant won't make it outside of the subcontinent. OnePlus also launched an attractive Star Wars variant in India as a tie-in with the last JD movie. That device made it to the Scandinavia but not for the UK or the US. While these variants are nice, it will be soon time to switch attention to the OnePlus 6. The Chinese company has confirmed the handset will be unveiled sometime between 1st April to June 30. So far, OnePlus has come only confirmed the device will boost the Snapdragon 845 processor, which is an amazing processor. So guys, this is what I'm talking about, the OnePlus 5T Lava Red, the limited edition. So guys, hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Comment for another video of your choice. And guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please follow us on Twitter at channel Rohin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.